Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to transfer money from Visa gift card to PayPal. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So the best method to transfer money from your Visa gift card to your PayPal involves linking the Visa gift card to your PayPal account and then transferring the funds to your bank account. This process avoids fee that could occur when using other methods and ensures you can access the funds in your bank account. So first of all, you need to activate the Visa gift card in your PayPal. So after doing this, you need to register a billing address if required and log in into your PayPal account. Once you log in into your PayPal account, you need to now navigate to the wallet section. There you can find the option called link the Visa gift card or add a card and select debit or credit card. Now enter the 16-digit card number, expiration date and CVV code of the Visa gift card and confirm the card and verify it. After this, you can also set it as a preferred payment method, which is completely optional, and then simply transfer funds to your bank account once the card is linked. So this is how you can transfer money from Visa gift card to PayPal. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.